Namaste. Today we are celebrating Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar's birth anniversary. Let us all watch Dr. Hedgewar's life history. Democracy does not reside in speeches but in actual practices of its votaries, said by Keshav Baliram Hedgewar. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, also known as Dr. G, was born on 1st April 1889 in a Telugu-speaking family in Nagpur. His parents were Baliram Pant Hedgewar and Revati Boy. When Hedgewar was 13, both of his parents died. His uncle ensured that he continued to receive a good education. He studied at Neil City High School in Nagpur. After matriculating, he was sent to Kolkata in 1910 to pursue his medical studies. After passing the LMS examination from the National Medical College in June 1916, he completed a year-long apprenticeship and returned to Nagpur in 1917 as a physician. Completing his education, Hedgewar joined the Anushilan Samiti in Bengal, which was influenced deeply by the writings of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Hedgewar's initiation into this group was rooted in Hindu symbolism, who took an important step in his path towards creating the RSS. Hedgewar participated in the Indian National Congress in the year 1920s, but he became disillusioned with their policies and politics. Hedgewar founded RSS in 1925 on the day of Vijayadashami with an aim to organize Hindu community for its cultural and spiritual regeneration and made it a tool for achieving complete independence for a united India. Hedgewar suggested the term Rashtriya. Hedgewar supported the setting up of a women's wing of the organization in 1936 called Rashtra Sevika Samiti. Those that participated in the movement were called Swayam Sevaks, that is, self-servants. Hedgewar went to a number of places and inspired the youths for taking up Sangh work. Gradually, all his associates had begun to endearingly call him Dr. G. After founding the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh in 1925, Hedgewar maintained a healthy distance from Indian independence movement as led by Gandhi. For Hedgewar, Bharat was an ancient civilization and the freedom struggle was an attempt to re-establish a land for the Hindus after almost 800 years of foreign rule, primarily by the Mughals and then by the British. He insisted that the RSS must only be involved with man-making. He attended the annual Sangh Siksha Varg, that is, officer training camp in 1940, where he gave his last message to Swayam Sevaks, saying, I see before my eyes today a miniature Hindu Rashtra. His health deteriorated in later years of his life. He died on 21st June 1940 in Nagpur. Hedgewar was described as a great son of Mother India by former President of India Pranab Mukherjee during his visit to Hedgewar's birthplace in Nagpur. Jai Hind! Super.